Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Whitney from MeritSun. In recent years, with the development of the world economy, the demands of electricity has increased year by year. Oil and natural gas are the most traditional power generation modes in the world, but this has also caused a huge environmental pollution. Therefore, many countries encourage to use new energy batteries to reach a long-lasting development. MeritSun has over 24 years experience in China battery industry. We always paying attention to the global needs and providing extensive lithium batteries for various applications. All of our batteries are pre-qualified based on performance, durability, and long-term reliability, because our goal is to bring renewable energy to every corner of the world and that people can be benefit. In this video, we are pleased to share with you some installation feedback from around the world, including their system configurations. This system is installed in South Africa, where the power outages are very serious that people can only get a few hours power a day. Their daily life are greatly influenced and has a very high needs for independent solar storage system. This is an off-grid system for residential. Consists of 3 MeritSun 5 kWh Powerwall batteries and 2 5 kW grow-up off-grid inverter. Solar power will supply home loads and charge batteries during daytime. When blackout or night comes, the batteries will automatically switch on to run the loads right away. Through the app or mobile phone, you can do intelligent check-ins and control the system remotely at any time, such as battery SOC, solar and grid consumption, etc. What's more, the battery parallel is very flexible, so users can design their own system according to the load's consumption and backup time. In another continent, Europe is facing high electricity costs for a long time because of demands more than supply. The adoption of renewable energy in Europe is relatively high compared to other continents. But in the face of rising energy prices, it has become very difficult for many people. And we have heard from a lot of customers that independent home energy storage system is a very necessary solution for them. This system is in the UK, a single-phase system equipped with 30 kWh red module batteries and a Victron 15 kW hybrid inverter. Batteries will be fully charged by sunshine as backup power. When there's excess power produced, it can be sold to the grid and get profit. By installing MeritSun battery, you can achieve 100% energy independence. Store all the renewable energy you need in batteries for later use. In other words, you will only use it when you need it. We are very proud to in the new energy industry, providing a continuous supply of electricity for different families and different application scenarios. MeritSun's business are facing worldwide, and we have been testing for a long time that our battery can well match with different off-grid or hybrid inverter on the markets and ensure a worry-free experience to users. Renewable energy is powering a new future for our next generations. Customer first, safe delivery is always the MeritSun first vision. Next, we will continue to seek benefits for the world's new energy and give back to the market. If you have energy needs or business plan, please contact us. We are looking forward to working with you. See you next time.